Hello. This is my YouTube channel prediction. Right here, you can see at the top are the 3 libraries that I've imported for this project. And when we move to part 1, which requires data cleaning, this line, this is to, of course, load the YouTube messy set, and I first sorted them so I could see what duplicate rows and, of course, what null values are in here. Then I moved on to summing the missing values using isNull, and we see that the entire data set in each category, there is at least one, there is one null value. And then, of course, I ran some code to see what duplicate data sets there are, which I believe are day 3, day 9, and day 13. And then I ran the code to clean these data sets, and when I run the code from up here now, it shows that there are no missing values and there are no duplicate rows anymore. And we move on to part 2, the data summarizing. I load in the completed YouTube dataset, and you can see we have our highest and lowest views along with the average views throughout all the days. And then we move on to likes, so you can see the highest and lowest likes. And we move on to part 3, which is plotting. So you can see I have my views versus days, and then I have my line chart of views versus days. And for my own, I chose likes versus days, where you can see that views is more of a steadier climb, meanwhile likes is more volatile, more changing. For part 4, I loaded up a linear regression model, and here's the printing of it. And in part 5, this is where we take day 40, day 45, and 50, which are not in the data set that was loaded into the linear regression. So this is just the model. Predicting the days without knowing what is actually on day 40. So as you can see, each day, and when we print out the score, it has a nice 99.02% score. And on part 6, I had the model print out a full list of days 31 to 40, simply predicting what those days are going to look like in terms of views. And then I loaded up the YouTube views future CSV, and you see that these are the actual views versus what the model predicted. And in this order, here's the percent difference between the actual and the predicted views. As you can see, a lot of them are under 2%. You do have some minor hiccups here, like a 7% here, 3.47% here, and 3.01, which I consider is very good. And of course, here are my practice questions, or my additional questions that I have. And thank you.